Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and came here. So today I'm doing a natural hairstyle. In fact, this video is for my natural girlies, okay? And also you can also try this with the relaxer if you want to, but this is specifically for my natural girlies. And I'm gonna show you guys a simple way you can rock your hair elegantly. Okay, so this video I'll be showing you guys a quick and a cute natural hairstyle you can rock. It's actually the flat bubble braid hairstyle. That's what we're doing in today's video. That's the tutorial we're doing in today's video. Okay. So I started with parting our hair, and I'm also going to apply gel to clean my parts. All right. Before now, I was on natural hair before now, but the stress was just something else. Okay, you guys, those that are carrying natural hair, I cut cap for now. Una they try. The work is so much. Okay, so but right now I'm no longer part of you guys. I retouched my hair and it's all long and very beautiful too. So we're doing a flat twist hairstyle, flat bubble braid hairstyle in today's video. That's what we're doing. So guys, while you're watching this video, please do not forget to like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and subscribe for those who have not subscribed. Please subscribe to this channel. The goal is to hit 1 million subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel. Let's get to that goal. All right, so after parting the hair and just clean up the parts like what I'm doing here, the next thing to do is start sectioning the hair for our bubble braid hairstyle. Now I've done this part already, so we're going to just start with this other part. Now the reason why I'm not going to show you guys the other parts in this video is because I use a different method entirely to do that other part, and I prefer this particular method. That is why I'm showing you guys just this one. Okay, it's very easy. You can do it as a DIY hairstyle, or you can get somebody to do it for you. I'm just going to part our hair and apply gel to it to make it clean. And after applying the gel, we're using an elastic band or the rubber band. Okay, we're using rubber band to section each of the hair. Now, after sectioning the hair, I'm going to show you guys the next step. So just watch the process of me sectioning our hair, and I'll be back. after sectioning the hair, this is what we have. This is how it is looking already. You guys, from the way these parts are looking, you will know that this hairstyle is going to be very fine. Okay, because that is a good sign. Now, for the first one, I'm going to take the first section, roll it a couple of times, and then pass it to the third one. I'll use my elastic band to secure this together. Ensure you're not pulling the first one too tight to the third one. You don't need that. Okay. So I'm going to take the second one, pass it to the fourth one, use the elastic band to secure it. Just repeat this process till you get to the last one. All right. Now, this section that I'm doing, or this side that I'm doing, it is bold and beautiful compared to the first one I did. But that first one is not just giving at all. It was just too flat and it didn't come out the way I would like it to come out. So that's why I'm not, you guys are not going to see it in this video, okay? But this part was really fine, okay? It's really fine. It's bold. It's beautiful. Like when we finished this hair, she got a lot of compliments. Okay, like people really liked this style. Like it's just simple, elegant, classy and really cute. Okay, like this style is beautiful. Now, for all the natural hair girlies, go and try this style and thank me later. Okay, though it's not a style that you can carry for long. Okay, it's a style that you carry for a couple of days and you take it down. All right. Now, if you've watched to this point of this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hmm? Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so you get notified, okay, each time we have a new video on the channel. And like the video too. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried this hairstyle before? And if you intend to try it, please let us know also in the comment section. And how did you see this style? Okay, is it a style that you like or you want to try? But it is beautiful. Okay, so after sectioning, after securing each of the hair with the elastic band, this is what we have. I'm going to, for the ends, I'm going to just twist her hair, but you can decide to use an afro kinky bob hair to create a bun at the back. It's going to look really fine, you guys. It was when I finished making this hair, that was when I just thought about it, but at that point it was just too late. But it came out, this one like this too, it came out fine. Okay, now when you're done with this, you're going to use a bobby pin to secure it, and this is how gorgeous it is looking. This hair is super cute. It is simple. It is elegant. It is neat. It is beautiful. Okay, like it is a 10 over a 10, guys. Okay, the hair is so gorgeous, and she's looking absolutely stunning in the hairstyle. Okay, let me know in the comment section, okay, what your take on this hairstyle is. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.